Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your headphones Sony. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones at the device list, or you may have information icon, because some Android phones have information icon or settings icon. So you click on it and here it is, we have spatial audio. Firstly, you cannot find it at your Apple device, at least at the settings, and not all Android phones have this feature also at the settings. Now, to enable it, you need to tap the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.